Yeah, I understand. Well, it's ready for a first start. Got the front fender on. Kind of cool. Uh, Carburetors are tickled. Mechanics are just thrilled. Key on. Got lights.
Key's on, we got lights.
Give it a button. Sort of trying. Sort of. See anything obvious?
Nothing obvious.
All right, give her a couple more tries and then we'll I'll be damned.
Oops.
Oil flow may take a moment
Yeah.
because nothing's primed.
Yeah.
All right, well, that was a real live, honest to God, first start since his bike came into the shop, and I don't know how much longer before it sat before it got here. So how about that? Pretty good. Well, as you saw, the bike started up. Rev's sort of okay, but not great. So we got out the strobe light to check the ignition. Ignition was close, but not exact, and we kept adjusting left and right, farther, back, farther, back, and the timing wouldn't change. So we pulled the Boyer out of it, and I don't try to troubleshoot these ignitions. This is the Boyer, this is the plate, this is a vape system, this is the new black box for a vape system. Let's just put it over here. This is the black box that replaces the Boyer black box now. And this is the mag pickup. And this is the vape mag pickup. And I don't want to sound like evangelical and all that, but I do like the new vapes. It's newer technology, really good looking stuff. And nothing against Boyer. I mean, I've had a Boyer in my Norton since 1975. Has never missed a beat. But I don't know what this bike has been through in its life and what might have zapped what. So I'm going to replace this ignition system with a vape and see what happens. Well, we're out of time. I put the new ignition system in the bike. Need to set the timing. Kevin had to go home. Domestic duties calling. And it's after 5. And it's hot and I'm exhausted. What happened is, normally I would have tomorrow to work on the bike and maybe get it running, get it timed. But I don't. I took the RV out today to get gas to fill up the tank, to empty the holding tanks, to top off the propane, and everything went just wonderful until I got home, turned the rig off, hooked up the ground power, which we call shore power, turned on the air conditioners and they didn't come on. 2 brand new Furion air conditioners and neither one will come on. Now, since they both won't come on, I'm assuming that it's the control card that controls the 2 RV air conditioners. I'm tired and frustrated. So I'm going to be at Camping World tomorrow morning at 8:30 because they open at 9. And I bought the air conditioners there, and see if they can get me in to replace that control card, which is undoubtedly made in Czechoslovakia, and that's where the nearest one is, and it'll take 6 months to get it. But anyway, that's the plan. Tomorrow I'm going to be spending the day trying to get the RV operational, because I leave Tuesday for my brother's in North Carolina, and I'm going in this RV with or without air conditioning. So that's tomorrow. That's the time that I would like to spend working on this bike, but I can't. While I'm gone, Kevin may. Hard to tell. And anyway, that's where we're sitting. This is the 75, looking good. Got the fender on. We had it running. You saw that first start, and just needs to be finished. And I just ran out of time.